Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a New Year's reset for 2024. So I'm going to be cleaning up my room, getting my life in check, doing a digital declutter, doing it all, and planning for the year. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos, and you'll be part of the angels team. And I do post every single Sunday unless I miss one, but I've been on a roll. So let's get into today's video. So, of course, I have to show you the before. So, this is literally after Christmas when I opened all my gifts. I threw everything where I could, and I have a basket full of just gifts, and I have to put them away. Another thing that I felt like I needed to do was just like clean my room in general because it looked nasty. Tell me why I didn't end up doing my laundry though. I should probably do that. But first things first, I always clean my desk. I feel like it gets a little repetitive cleaning my desk, but that's the first thing that I throw stuff on. So I feel like I need to do better on that. Honestly, this year I want to do better of just like being at my desk because I'll be everywhere but my desk sometimes. And I feel like unless I'm like hardcore studying for like 2 hours or something, you won't find me at my desk. You'll find me literally anywhere but my room. Maybe I just need a study room in general, but that's besides the point. So, for 2024, I think we all need to kind of change our mindset from making goals to kind of making a reality of what we want our year to look like and kind of work accordingly. So, kind of thinking about things and action steps we want to do to get us closer to, um, life and getting us closer to what we want our lives to look like. So I think those are two things that are kind of really important, and I think we kind of forget is that sometimes it's not all about goals. Sometimes we just need to be working and live life, and that is what I want to do this year, is maybe work more towards an idealistic lifestyle. So then here is me showing you all my Christmas gifts that I've got and unwrapping them completely because I'll open them and then throw them in the bag. Like I do that all the time. Because I do like a family Christmas, which is like my aunts and uncles and cousins and stuff, and then I do like my parents, which so when I have my parents, usually I open all the gifts completely, but like my aunts and uncles, no, we don't got time for that. So I tend to just kind of leave them in the box, but I got so many really cool things and I'm really grateful. A lot of nail stuff because if you didn't know, I do my own nails. um I actually got them done today, and low-key I'm like, I regret paying those $55, which is expensive because usually it's like 40, especially if you just do gel. Like damn, it should be like 30 or something, but whatever. I really love doing my nails. I like being proactive. There we go. And I don't know. I just think that a lot of the things that I do in my life are done myself, so I'm a baddie for that. Another thing is I like to kind of make not a goal, a word of the year. So the 2023 was happiness. I just wanted to do things that made me happy because I guess in 2024 I was not happy, but that's besides the point. So in 2023 I really just did things that made me happy, and I think I actually accomplished that. Like I had such a fun year. I made a lot of good memories, and yeah. I'm like, and yeah, but no, I made a lot of good friendships and had a lot of fun just like doing things that made me happy. Um, and then this year, I think my goal is to be my words is Miss Independent, like the song by Neo, literally called Miss Independent. I love that song so much. I've been listening to it on a repeat, like on repeat. It's so bad, but I genuinely just I love it. I love it, and that is my goal for the year. So here's me literally planning my life out, I guess you could say, pretty much January. I think it's better to plan out your month versus the year because things just change. Like I'll come up with video ideas and I'll plan it for the whole year, and then I'll look at them and I'm like, that just doesn't make any sense. Like what was I thinking? So I think that happens to a lot of us where we just kind of plan and then it just doesn't go accordingly because life happens. So I think plan for the month, and not even that. I don't even plan things. I just put what's going on for that month, like days I have to work and days I have to do this for school and blah blah blah. So another thing is I have like a school calendar and I'm marking down the days until the year is over. So I think that's kind of sad, but it's okay. I love it either way. I also got this calendar, acrylic calendar from, I'm staring at it right now while I'm filming this, doing this voiceover, but I got it from Five Below and it was probably one of the best purchases I've done of 2023 because I look at it every day. So I know when I have to work and I know when I have things to do, and I genuinely just like love them. So I don't know. I personally think this $5 was worth the splurge, and it came with a crack, but there I didn't even notice that there was a crack, so whatever. Um, Another thing that I feel like I want to work on in 2023 is maybe not 2023, 2024 is just like building that dream life. I said that before, but doing things that kind of work towards that and kind of embodying who I am as a person and being more confident in myself. Um, I think over the years I've become more confident, which is good. But of course, let me know what your plans are for the year. I'm just nosy. Like, I like to know what people are doing with their lives and just how it's going. So, let me know, of course. Another thing that I think I need to work on is saving money. I don't know. My dream lifestyle, I want to live comfortably because I don't want to worry about like bills and taxes and all the adulting things. So I think I don't want to be rich. I just want to be comfortable. So I need to start saving. I don't think I save. I save for like things that I want. So like when I was wanting a car, I would just have all my money in my bank account and then just wait so I until I got the car. So I just want to be able to save more money and kind of just have it there in case of emergencies or like just for the future in general. Like I just think it's smart to save. Another thing I need to do is work on actually applying for scholarships. I don't know if I mentioned this in a video, but scholarships for some reason scare me. I think it's because thinking about like my future just kind of daunts me a little bit. So I'm kind of like, oh, I actually have to do this. So it's a little scary. So pray for me, please. Tell me in the comments. Do your scholarship essays and stuff. Um, I don't know, like I've been putting them off and I need to do them because I need money for school. Another thing that I've actually started doing every year is a digital declutter. So I'll go through my phone and delete pictures that I don't need. Because a lot of them are just like screenshots of things that I thought that were good or just images I didn't even know I had and I needed to get rid of them. So that's another thing I would recommend you do is a digital declutter so then it feels like you have a whole new phone. You get that you got everything deleted and it saves so much space. And then the last thing, I love doing this is a letter to myself. So I started this last year. I don't know if I put this in the video or not, but I wrote a letter to myself of what I want my year to look like, all my aspirations, all my goals. And when I was reading it, I was like, oh my gosh, like this is amazing. Like, I don't know, like I felt so excited. I felt so like giddy. It was so weird. And I was just so happy to be reading it. Like, I kind of teared up a little bit because I don't even know. Like some of the things that I wanted to do, I didn't end up doing because life took me in another direction. But yet I'm so excited to see like like I was just so excited to see it. So I highly recommend you write a letter to yourself. Like I'm did it this year and I just felt so like excited to see what my life was going to look like, and just reading back what I thought my life was going to look like and what it actually turned out was super super interesting. And that's everything I did to prepare for the new year. Clean, do a digitally declutter, and write a letter to myself. Let me know what your goals and aspirations are for the 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye, guys.